Hi, welcome back. Learn real-time project terminology. For every day, we learn one term from today onwards. So the first term is, I think many people knew about this, but beginners, they would like to know about this one, enhancement package and its advantages. Let's try to see every term we're not going to discuss in broader details. Let's see this. Okay. So what is enhancement? Okay. So enhancement package. We'll call it as a EHP7 enhancement package. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that within the 6.4 series. In the similar way, you can go for any further version. What is the example? A method to allow SAP customers to import and manage software functionality to running systems. Enhancement packages are optional and allowing for customers to select which capabilities they would like to implement. For example, you can say in first version, I have added a few functionalities. Okay, like so I have released the earlier version. Within that sub package of functionalities, I'm going to release by release every year. Okay, you can say that it's a within the main version, sub version of additional functionality, additional features. Like how you are getting. Suppose if you buy a mobile, you are getting a firmware update. In the similar way, for SAP also, they are releasing the package. But what I would like to say is, it is just optional. When they released ECC 6.0, few companies still running the same system. Okay, few companies still reach EHP 8 or 10 latest version. So certain functionalities, if they require, they would like to for live systems, and they would like to update. Okay, it's like a one update. So what is the basic advantage with this? One is like on a package, on your business, whatever it is useful, you can able to utilize additional features on the existing SAP software version with the additional package. The first one is business functions and system functions and integrations wherever it is required. If you really required, you can able to use it. I am clearly said that it is an optional, the definition itself. Okay, if the client don't want it, they don't require. That is the first thing. Second is, it is cost effective for customers. Okay, so for example, directly instead of buying EHP ECC 6.0 with EHP 8, so ECC 6.0 they are already using, they can able to negotiate. In SAP also will encourage certain discounts, certain offers, they will get it. Okay, so that they can able to update it. It's not only for ECC, it is for S4 HANA also. Okay, enhancement package. And third advantage is like you will get a continuous support from SAP. Okay, and fourth advantage is like it creates a lot of security for customers. With new features, it has the firmware will have a lot of additional security features. So version to version, it will be more stronger. So that is the basic advantage of EHP 7. Okay. If someone asks, you can tell that certain EHP version I have worked. If it is ECC or S4 HANA, you can tell certain version. No one is going to probe on this. This is for your just understanding. We'll catch up in next session with another term. Okay. Thank you so much for joining the session. If you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And this is my Udemy forum, dedicated forum. Here I'm having around 20 plus courses. I specifically recommend these two courses for every functional consultants. One is for idoc training and getting master to write functional specification. If someone is looking for SAP SD, this is the right place. You can able to try. You can able to give a try. 112 hours for 22 lectures. I'm just giving these details, these links. Okay, in the description box. If you really wanted to get utilized, you can utilize this opportunity. Let's catch up in next session with another term. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. All the best.